Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are focusing on vertical addition using 3 digits and no regrouping today. You will find this activity on Class Dojo through worksheets. Now you have the option to complete it directly through Class Dojo. Otherwise, you can write out these equations on a workbook. The first thing that you'll need to do, whether you are completing it online or on a workbook, is to put your name and the date up the top. So what we're going to do today is work out these equations using vertical maths. So as you can see, we are focusing on addition today and we are using 3-digit numbers. So when we are using vertical maths, we always start with the numbers in the ones place. So today we're using addition, so we would start adding numbers from the ones place, which is on the right side. So if we look at the first one together, just here, I'm going to highlight the numbers that are in the ones place in red. Now you can see that the number 2 and 4 is highlighted because it's in the ones place. So we would add 2 and 4, which makes 6. So we would put 6 at the bottom. So moving on, we would then add the numbers that are in the tens place. So I'm going to highlight the numbers that are in the tens place so we can work out what we need to add together. So we have 4 and 5. So we know that 4 and 5 together make 9. So far we've got the number 96. Now we need to add the numbers that are in the hundreds place. So I've highlighted the numbers that are in the hundreds place, which are 3 and 6. So let's work out what that equals altogether. So using vertical addition, we were able to work out that 342 plus 654 equals 996 altogether. Let's do the next one together. I'm not going to highlight the numbers that are in the ones, tens, and hundreds place. We are going to work it out just by looking at the numbers. So here we have 221 plus 324. So to work that out, we again would start with the numbers that are in the ones place. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Next, let's move on to the numbers in the tens place. So we've got 2 plus 2. That equals 4. And last number, 2 plus 3 equals 5. So we have now worked out that 221 plus 324 equals 545 altogether. It's now your turn to complete the activity. Remember, if you are using Class Dojo worksheets, make sure that you submit the work to your class teacher. Otherwise, you can write out the equations on a workbook and make sure that you write your answers as well.